everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing these fun knotless braids. They're so pretty. I'm really excited to show you guys how I did them. They're super easy. You can do this yourself. If you're interested in this, keep on watching. I've been doing a lot of protective styling during the quarantine just because I'm not doing anything, so I would rather just like wake up and not have to worry about my hair. I'm going to show you guys what I am working with. For the hair, I have 3 packs of this, and that's just Spectra pre-stretched braiding hair. It's so smooth, it doesn't tangle, it's amazing. And I have it in the color 4. But yeah, I got 3 packs of that. So originally I was only gonna put pink in my hair, so I got another of this, and so this one has the 3 in it too. So cute. I was like, oh, it'd be so cute if I put all the colors, not all the colors, but you know, different ombre colors. I went back and I got this cute lavender, which also has a little bit of pink mixed in, and I got this cute baby blue. I'm just gonna go with it, do what feels right. Blow dried my hair out yesterday just to get it nice and smooth and ready to style. I just put it in these braids to keep it stretched. It smells so clean and good. I love clean hair. I'm gonna start in the back of my head. So pretty. I already did the bulk of my hair and I just left the top like crown part so you could better see what I'm doing. So I got my sister to help me with parting off my hair, and we used these little clear rubber bands just to make our little squares. And that made the world of difference when doing your own hair, just being able to fly through it because you already have those sections. I've also been using this Shine and Jam silk edges. See, my friend Shayla put me onto this. It's a really good consistency for really getting those smooth, nice parts. I've just been incorporating the colorful hair in different places, and some of the braids I'll just do regular with just the brown hair. I guess you guys can't see it, but I have all my hair laid out, and I'll just, before I start a braid, I won't pre-section a million pieces, but I'll just section out as many as I can, or as many as I feel like I'll need for that braid or for the next few braids, and just have them laid somewhere conveniently or like hanging. So you want to start with your little box and get some Shine and Jam. And so we're just going to use that to really define our little part and, you know, make it nice and smooth and shiny and cute. And just spread that all around the edges of the box. Sorry if my fingers are too much in the way and you can't see, but I'm going to try to do the best explanation possible. So you just get that Shine and Jam nice and saturated throughout your little box, and then you want to split your box into 3 parts, just like you're doing a regular braid. If you know how to do a regular braid, you can definitely do this. So the key to the nice flat knotless look is just starting by braiding your hair. Don't add any hair, you're just braiding your hair right now. So then you want to grab a piece of hair, and you want this piece of hair to be small, or definitely at least smaller than your strand of hair that you're working with, because you want it to stay consistent and look uniform while you're braiding it down. So when you're adding hair, you do want to be cognizant just of the size that the braid is becoming, because it will get a little thicker on its own sometimes. So just keep watch of what size piece of hair that you're adding, and keep watch of, you know, how big the braid is getting, or if it's tapering off and getting smaller. You want your braid to be uniform all the way down until it starts to taper off at the end. That's when you want it to get thinner. But as you're going down, the pieces of hair, you just need them to stay consistent with the size of the braid that you're working with. Now it's up to you how long you want to keep adding pieces, because that's totally dependent on how long you want your braids to be. So I wanted my braids to be really, really long, and so I just kept adding pieces until it was the length that I liked it. And when your braids start to get too long and your arms won't reach that far, this is what I do. I just put it in my teeth and I just keep on braiding down as far as I need to go. So just showing you guys again, you want to get a really tight grip on your real hair when you're starting that braid, and then you add in the hair. And then you just want to braid down just a couple of times with your real hair and then add in another piece. And you just want to keep going. If it starts to feel like it's thinning out, like I said, just add a piece of hair. And you know, really just have to feel for it, and you'll know exactly what size piece of hair you need to put there. All right, so now that my braids are all done, I'm gonna just trim the ends because these are super long. I'm just trying to do it like in a shearing kind of motion instead of just blunt cutting the ends, because that can make them unravel and it just doesn't look cute. It looks cuter with, like, you know, tapered ends. Now that I got them to a length that I'm happy with, I have some hot water already boiled downstairs, and I'm gonna go and dip these in the hot water. A cup of hot water, and I also have a towel right here just on hand because they will be dripping wet when you take them out of the hot water. And then finally, I'm just gonna put some foam wrap. It's just to smooth out any frizzies or flyaways. And I'm very generous with this. Like, every time I do my hair, I buy a new bottle of foam wrap because I go through it. So I like to get it soaked in there. And then once that's like soaked in and not white anymore, guess what I'm gonna do? Put some more. I want my braids to be crispy. You know where your hair ends? So just make sure you get the length of that just to really seal in the braiding hair in your hair. And I like for my hair to still be nice and wet with the foam wrap, and then I tie it down with a scarf. I like to tie that nice and tight. Don't tie it at your hairline, tie it on your forehead. So make sure that that knot isn't messing with your edges. And at this point, if I don't have anywhere to go, then I'll just leave my scarf on and let it air dry. But if not, then I like to hit it with a blow dryer if I'm in a hurry. Love doing that because it's like it instantly sets that foam wrap, and it's like you slept a full night on your braids. And that is it for this video. I'm so happy with how my hair, so happy with how my hair turned out. If you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.